Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, you're highly welcome. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you people how I made this 5x5 closure using the split knot pattern. Okay, as you can see in the title of the video, I'm going to show you guys everything. So all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're here to subscribe, please consider doing that. So this is the 5x5 closure lace I'll be using. Okay, I've already marked out my center parting. Okay, it's 5x5 closure, so I just measured out 2.5 by the left, 2.5 by the right. That's how I got my center part. Okay, and I left a little extra, okay, for wigging, both side, both down the left side and then the right side, just for wigging. It's not part of the 5x5. What it means that I measured more than 5x5. Okay, so I'll be able to get the extra for wigging. I already told you guys how I got my center part and measured out 2.5 and 2.5 both sides. So starting from my standpoint now, I mark out 1 inch, okay, because we're actually going to use a different pattern from that 1 inch down. So this is the bundle I'll be using. It's actually an SDD hair, so I just have to remove the stuff they use in packing it. Then I cut out little amounts of the hair from the weft, just little. You have to be doing this little by little so that you don't end up wasting your bundle. Okay, so when I'm done, I use my comb, okay, to comb it out. Actually, there was nothing like chaff, okay, or short hairs in this particular bundle, but do way to comb yours so that if there's any short ones, you get rid of it. So this is how I fold it. I do tell you guys reason why I normally fold my hair like this, especially when I'm making closures or frontal, so that when I'm done, the closure will not be that short. It will still have length, because this is actually a 12 inches hair. Okay, at least when I'm done, I will get like 10 inches. That's why I fold it like that. So I started with a line. I skip a line. Like I said, we are using the split knot pattern. Okay, that's what I'm going to use for this closure. I went on a line, I skipped the next line. Okay, I started from our center parting. Okay, the line, our center part, that's where I started. So I went on a line and then I split knot by dividing the hair into two and then picking one part of it and then knot it. Okay, that's how to do the split knot pattern. Please, if you don't understand, check my channel. I already have a very explanatory video on how to do the split knot pattern. Okay, so this is the single split pattern because we're actually splitting it just once. Okay, so this is simply just what I did. Okay, so I'm going to skip the next line now, and then I went on the next one. I split the hair into two, pick one and knot, and I'm picking 1 to 3 strands of hair, not more than 3. I'm picking one, I pick 1, pick 2, I pick 3, depending, but not more than 3. Okay, I skip the next line. I went, split my hair, pick one part and knot. Okay, this video is clear enough. If you follow through, you understand what I'm doing. So when it now gets to the hole, I skip the first hole and then I went on the second one, which means I'm skipping one line and skipping one hole. Okay, I skip the first hole, then went on the next one, still splitting my knot. Okay, I'll continue like this till I get to the place I marked, I mean the 1 inch I measured earlier. Okay, I'll continue like this. This pattern is the vertical horizontal pattern, and we are using the split knot method, okay, for this closure. When I get to the front side, I'll equally use a different pattern. So go ahead and stick with me to the end of this video so you'll be able to catch everything. So guys, keep watching. So this is it when I'm done with the place I marked now. So the next thing I'm doing now is to start the diagonal pattern now. So I'm now going diagonally, okay, still skipping a hole and splitting my hair, okay, then skipping a line too. I'm actually skipping a hole and a line, okay, throughout the process. I mean this 5x5 ventilation process, except the front side, okay, I mean the hairline, which I'm going to show you guys too. So I skip the next line and vent on the one after it, and I'm skipping just a hole like that, and I keep splitting my hair. Okay, the benefit of using this split pattern is that if you have hair or bundle that you found out that after venting it tends to lose, okay, then consider using the split knot pattern to vent that particular hair. So this is how it's looking. You see how the hair are splitted like that. So this is how it's looking so far. So guys, this is simply what I'm doing. I skip the next line, I vent on the one after it, I split my knot, I skip a hole and I vent on the next hole, I skip a line, I vent on the next line, just like that, and I keep splitting my hair, okay. I hope you guys understand. If you know you are finding any value from this video and you've gotten to this point and you've not hit that like button, please, what are you actually waiting for? Please go ahead. If you are not yet a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing, like this video, comment. If you have any question, if you are confused at any point, let me know in the comment section. So guys, keep watching. So guys, I'll continue like this till I get to the front side, okay, skipping my one line and skipping my one hole and then splitting my knots, okay. This pattern is the split knot pattern, okay, single split knots, because we actually have the double split knots. We have 4 different types of knots. We have the single knots, we have double knots, we have single split knots, we have double split knots, but this particular one is the single split knot. So when I get to the center part now, okay, I mean my center pattern, I'm going to vent on it. I mean that particular line, I'm going to vent on it once. Like I'm going to vent on half of it. I don't know how to put this, but I'm going to vent on the holes on the on our center parts, okay. You will see the reason why I'm doing it like this. When you are done, if you follow through what I did, you will have a very tiny center part, okay. You don't, unless you prefer yours to be bold, but I don't like my center pattern being so bold. I like it being tiny. So I'm venting on the holes on our center parts, okay. Then when we get to the other side, the right hand side, I'll still show you guys what I did. So guys, this is actually how I did the front side, okay, of one side. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. Looking at it, you see that it is so natural. So coming to the right side now, I'm not doing anything different. I just started with a diagonal line. Okay, I went on a line, I skip a line, I went on the next hole, I skip a hole, just like that. I'm not doing anything different. I'm actually repeating the same thing I did like the left side. Okay, and I keep split knotting my hair. Okay, single split. Like I say, this is single split pattern because we're actually splitting the hair and knotting it just once. So this is just what I will continue doing till I get to the center part again. Then I'll show you guys how to go about it. Please keep watching. So guys, when I get to the center part now, then the line after the first line, I mean this our center part, okay, the line after it, I'm going to vent it once. What this simply means is that I'm venting, instead of leaving, it's actually two lines, but out of these two lines I vent one part of the first line and then the one part of the second line, making it half, not making it one single line. Okay, when you do it like this, we are going to get a very tiny, very tiny center part. Okay, I don't like I said, I don't like my closures having bold pattern. I prefer it tiny. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I explained here. Okay, I vented on half, like one of the line by my right, then coming to the left, I vent on one of the line again by my right. Okay, making it to be very tiny. So that's how I vent my center part. So if you know you've gotten to this point and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please now consider subscribing, like this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I do answer all my questions. There's no comment or any question under any of my videos that I left unanswered. I answer all. So I'm going to show you guys now exactly how I achieved the front. Okay, so I started with the line on our center part. Okay, I went on a line, I skip a line, I went on the next line, I skip a line. And mind you, I'm picking just a strand of hair. Please do not pick more than one. Okay, for this hairline here, just pick one. Try as much as possible to be picking just a strand of hair. So I went on a line, I skip a line. I'll continue like this till I get to the end of the closure. So when I'm done with the first round now, or should I call it row, coming to the second one now, this time around I'm going to vent on the lines I skipped. Okay, skipping the first lines I ventilated earlier. So I'm going to vent on the ones I skipped now. This pattern is actually called the in-between line pattern. If you don't understand, please check my last the third video. It should be the third or fourth video. It's actually where I explained in details how two ways you can do the in-between line pattern of ventilation. I'll still leave that particular video in the description of this particular one, so do wait to check it out. Okay, so I'm simply venting on the lines I skipped earlier. So I'll continue like this till I get to the end of the closure. So coming again the third time, I'm going to vent on the lines I skipped. Okay, in between lines means the hair has to be in between each other. If you watch closely, you notice that the hairs are falling in between each other. So I'll just do this 4 times. Okay, this is actually the third one. After this one, then I will repeat the process again once more, then I'm done. The next thing I will do is to just fill the remaining space, okay, with my diagonal pattern. So guys, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, if there's anything you want me to make video on, still let me know in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I know that you've gotten any value from this video. Please, what are you waiting for? I'm begging you, just hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video you won't miss any. YouTube will notify you. Like this video, comment, please share to your friends, share to your family members who might be interested in this video. So guys, let me use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all you people that have been liking, commenting, watching my videos. I really appreciate you all. And please guys, if you want me to do any hair for you, be it closures, frontals, be it braided wig, bulk orders, please, I'm available. I accept all that. Please let me know in the comment section so that I can forward my WhatsApp number to you, then hit me up. I deliver to any location. So this is it when I'm done filling the whole stuff, and this is what we have. Can you see? So natural, the front line looking so sweet, everything being okay. When I deliver this particular closure to my client, she was so happy. Like, when I mean happy, I wish I can tag her message, the message she sent to me on WhatsApp. She was so happy to receive this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you once again, and bye. Always remember that I love you guys. Mwah.